In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a transparent background in Figma. By the end, you'll export a PNG from Figma with a fully transparent background, ready to place over any color, photo, or layout without a visible box or backdrop. First, select the frame or canvas. On your Figma file, click the frame you want to export so it's clearly highlighted. If you intend to export the entire canvas, click to select the canvas itself. You should see the selection appear in the right-hand panel so you know exactly what will be affected next. Next, remove the fill. Look to the right-hand panel and find the fill section. If the frame or canvas has a background color, you'll see a color swatch there. To make it transparent, either uncheck the fill box to disable it or set the fill opacity to 0%. You can do that by clicking the color swatch, then dragging the opacity slider down to 0% or typing 0% into the opacity field. This step only affects the background fill of the selected frame or canvas. It does not delete or change any of the layers, text, or images inside your design. If you need to restore the background later, you can recheck the fill box or bring the opacity back up at any time. Now export with transparency. With the same frame still selected, go to the top menu and choose File, then Export. You can also right-click the selection and choose Export from the context menu. The Export panel will appear for that selection. Set the format to PNG. PNG supports transparency, which is essential for a clean cutout background. In the export options, make sure Include Transparent Background is checked. This tells Figma to preserve the transparency you set when you removed the fill. If you've already turned the fill off or set it to 0%, this checkbox ensures the exported PNG doesn't add a solid background back in. Once those options look correct, click Export. Choose your save location, confirm the file name, and save. The export will complete in a moment. The resulting PNG will have no background fill and will sit cleanly on top of other colors or images in your other tools. If you need to repeat this process for other frames, keep the same approach. Select the frame, remove its fill or set the opacity to 0%, then export as PNG with Include Transparent Background checked. Also, keeping these steps consistent helps you avoid accidental white or colored backdrops in your exported files. A quick note as you work. Removing the fill is a safe change. You're not deleting anything in your design. You're only making the background of that selected frame or canvas transparent. If you notice a background color still appearing during export, double-check that you selected the correct frame, that the fill is unchecked or at 0%, and that the PNG option, Include Transparent Background, is enabled before clicking Export. At this point, your PNG export from Figma has a transparent background and is ready to use in presentations, websites, or any design where you need a clean, floating graphic. Your transparent background in Figma is now set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.